It has been said that in the end of all things, we would find a new beginning. But as the shadow once again crawls across our world, and the stench of terror drifts on a bitter wind. People pray for strength and guidance.
We rescue a world from mysticism and tyranny, and usher in a future brighter than anything we can imagine. The victory!